We love coordinating the show behind the scenes, solving problems, especially big problems. When we get that call in the middle of the night about a utility emergency, we're ready to coordinate a response with other departments. We thrive on being the center of the nervous system. The operators have the responsibility of communicating with all other Utilities Kingston departments and municipal emergency services to ensure safe and efficient service restoration. Water, gas, electricity, wastewater, fiber optics, street lights, traffic signals, water heater rentals. It's our job to facilitate effective communication with all these services and to help keep everyone safe. Our job requires focus under pressure, multitasking, attention to detail, excellent communication skills, and a passion for customer service. It can be stressful, but we wouldn't have it any other way. We help keep the public and our workers safe every day and thrive when emergencies are thrown in our laps. Nothing is more satisfying than solving an unexpected issue, knowing it helps hundreds, sometimes thousands of people. We see and care for a Kingston no one else knows, and what a privilege that is.
You can count on us.
You can count on us.
You can count on us.
You can count on us.